HOTT, the Hybrid and Online Teacher Training course at Craven Community College. In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate how to add a journal to your Moodle course. So begin by turning your editing on and scroll down to the section where you want to add the journal. Select Add an Activity or Resource and find the journal. Select Add. So you would give your journal a name. And this is where your journal question goes. So you would decide how many days this journal was available. So you could have it always be open or select the number of days to leave the journal open. So it's based on points. My maximum grade for this journal is going to be 25 points. And I'm going to put it into one of my grade categories that I've already set up prior. And I'm going to skip the grade to pass. I will show it on the course page. I do not have any groups set up. I could restrict access if I want to. I can do activity completion, which I typically do set it up so that the activity is complete when the conditions are met and that the student must receive a grade to complete this activity. There's another tutorial on activity completion that you will want to watch if you haven't already learned how to do this. And after that, I would just save and display, and here is what students will see. This is an example journal. What did you learn in the video in chapter 3? And the student would click start or edit their journal entry, and that's it. It's super simple, and it's a great way to obtain student feedback in Moodle. So thank you for joining me for this hot topic of journals. See you next time.